Hey guys, so we're going to talk about filleting flounder today. There's a few ways that folks are filleting them. I'm going to show you how I do it. A lot of guys will literally fillet the flounder. I do it a little differently because some of our flounder don't get that big, and trying to fillet them makes it difficult. So I'm going to walk you through how I fillet flounder for my clients with our charters. Okay guys, so I've got a scaler on one side of the fish is darker than the back side. I don't scale this side, but I do like to scale this side. Just a little bit of scaling. Get those scales off so when you cook it, it's not gonna be a texture issue with scales. So we've got that scale to give it a rinse. Turn over so you can see. Now we have these, we've got fins at the top, we have fins at the bottom. What I like to do is just use a pair of scissors, and I start at the back of the flounder and I just follow the line and I take those fins right off. Take them off of the other side. Okay, now you can use your fillet knife to do that, but it's going to start dulling your fillet knife, and that's why I use the scissors. So that's done. Now on the bottom side of the flounder, I'm going to start with my cut up here behind the head. I'm going to come down, and then I'm going to angle it over, and if you use your fingers, you can feel the belly cavity, and so then we're just going to come down, passing that cavity so that we don't get any of the belly. So I like to start up, I'll work my knife down, feel where the belly is, I go right along the side, and then I cut down. And there is the spine bone in there. It's pretty tight, it's pretty tough. Give that a good push. I've now got the fillet. You've got a little bit of dark meat here that if we use our water and your finger, you'll knock that out. You have a little bit of stomach contents, just the tail end. Just press and pull. This fillet is ready to go. This is ready to cook. Now when you cook this, use a fork and just lift the meat. The meat is going to lift right away from that main spine, and flip it over and that meat will come off too. It's just really easy to fillet these. I know a lot of guys that fillet like this, especially if you have flounder that aren't big enough to fillet off the fillets. This is a great way to maximize the amount of meat that you have. All right guys, so as you can see, filleting flounder is pretty simple. Cook them however you want to, whether you're cooking them in the oven or you're pan frying or you're deep frying. You're going to be able to lift that meat away from the bone. You're not going to have a problem. Thanks for watching.